Regional Executive Officer of Lethem Region 9, Carl Parker, in providing clarity on the recent COVID-19 case confirmed in the region, disclosed that the individual, who resided in Bonfim, Brazil, sought medical treatment at the Lethem hospital after illegally entering Guyana on Saturday through one of its borders.
I'm going to call his name because I've gotten clearance to do that. And I think the justification is that he has put the entire region and by extension the country at risk. His name is Hamlet De Silva. He is a Guyanese male, about between 40 and 45 years old. He's residing in Bonfim, like many other Guyanese, and apparently he went into Monkey Mountain area for mining purposes, and he would have fell ill there and decided to come back home. So he went to Bonfim, and they were treating him for malaria. But after his condition worsened, he crossed the border illegally and presented himself to the Lethem hospital.
The COVID-19 rapid response team in the region, after assessing the symptoms the Brazilian-based Guyanese was exhibiting, placed him in institutional isolation at the hospital on Saturday. The man made good his escape from the facility in the wee hours of Tuesday morning.
The last time the doctors checked on him was at 12:15 last night at thereabouts. When they went this morning to give him his morning medication and meals, he was nowhere in sight. We know we had heavy rains last night, so sometime during the rains he would have escaped.
The regional executive officer posited that while residents of Lethem and its subregions are on high alert, contact tracing has begun in an effort to locate persons who came into contact with the confirmed case.
We have some names, we have some persons, 5 primary contacts and 9 secondary contacts who are all now in quarantine along with their families, because those persons would have gone home to their families, and they're now in quarantine for 14 days, and we'll be having to monitor them very strictly to see if they would have developed signs.
Policing Guyana's entire border with neighboring Brazil can be an arduous task because of its magnitude and unique terrain. However, heightened police presence has been made available at the official ports of entry and the popular illegal crossings. Meanwhile, the federal police in Brazil have confirmed that the man who fled Lethem hospital has since been arrested and is currently in medical isolation. Tamika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.